In this video, we're going to show how to show formulas within a worksheet. So let's take a look at our sales report. Right now, we see salesperson, product line, so that's the segment they fall under, unit price, quantity, and subtotal. We want to know which columns in here have a formula. So if we go to formulas, show formulas, we see how the report almost expands. So let's go and scroll over to the right. We'll notice that the subtotal column now has an equation in it. So this is saying H10, which is referring to our first unit price, is being multiplied by the first quantity, which is 6. So to even see this better, you can click on each cell and you can see it's saying unit price is being multiplied by quantity, and that's going for all the rows. This becomes very useful when you work with more advanced formulas, just so that you and others can see what you are pulling and where you actually have formulas in your worksheet. To turn this off, simply just hit show formulas again.